everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are getting ready for date night. I'm going to be helping you guys get ready for your dates and make you look the best as you possibly can. You already know we're starting off with our skincare. I got new products, so I'm just testing this out. So far, I love them so much. Everything is linked down below. I first started off with the Anuya mist. That mist makes my face so hydrating just with the mist alone. Now I'm starting to put the milky toner. And everything here is for dry skin. I really love a dewy face if you guys really know me. Now I'm going to go with the Kiehl's Cream Eye Treatment with Avocado. This hydrates the under eyes so well, and it makes sure that everything is applied evenly, and it helps prevent creasing. I definitely recommend this eye cream. It works so well. I also just bought a lot of new products at Sephora, so I'm going to be trying all of them out. I'm first going to apply my Milk Dewy Primer. Then I'm going to put in my Benefit Eyebrow Gel. This eyebrow gel works so perfect. It keeps my brows in place all day. The only thing is I don't really do my brows because they're already hairy enough. All I need to do is just gel them. So I'm sorry for the girlies who wanted an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to be applying the Too Faced bronzer stick in the shade Mocha. When I first applied it, I thought it was way too dark. So if you think this is way too dark, definitely get a shade lighter. I was thinking of getting the other one, but I was like, I don't know. Because when I apply it, it usually loses its color really quickly. So I wanted to get something darker. When applying it, I usually use a brush, tapping it going upwards, always upwards, never downwards. It definitely gives a lifted, sculpted look when doing this. Here you're just gonna blend everything out. I put some stuff on my forehead, on my cheekbones, on my nose. I have a sort of toasted look, which is the look I'm trying to go for. And just remember, if you want a different nose shape, there are different ways to contour the nose depending on the shape you want. I usually just keep it very thin, very simple. Now I'm going to be applying the Yummy Skin Flex Concealer in shade 2. This has full coverage, and just by using this alone, it was my first time. I really fell in love with it. This is my new concealer that I'm going to be using every day. You're going to want to apply it under your eyes, on the nose, and I usually put it on the chin and above my lips. I do this to balance the brightness throughout my skin complexion and make sure everything looks very evenly bright. Not just under my eyes where only one section is super bright, but also in different parts. I definitely think that the technique in which the way you blend your concealer is super important. So I start by blending the outside first, working my way towards the middle, and then using a brush, a blending brush, foundation brush to definitely even it out. Now I'm going to add blush. This is a blush stick from NARS in shade Days. I'm going to add this above where my cheekbones is, and then also doing the same thing, brushing it upwards. Now I'm going to be adding a Too Faced foundation. I have this shade really light because I use it as a concealer and not as a foundation. This is why so many people think that I do my eyebrows. It is because I use concealer to shape them. So I'm just going to be blending this out on my eyelids and on my forehead, and use a blending brush to definitely even it out with the contour. Then I'm going to go with the brush that I used for contour and then kind of tap it lightly with the excess that I still had on the brush. Now going in with Huda Beauty's Easy Bake, I'm going to go in with the shade Cherry Blossom and just set my face. Now I'm going to go in with the Makeup by Mario eyeshadow. I'm just going to apply one color and just kind of blend it all out. I like to blend it towards my eyebrows and work my way towards the outside so it all looks natural. And with the concealer that I used for the eyebrows, I'm going to add a little bit for the inner corner so I could add highlighter. This makes my eyes pop out way more and makes it super shiny. I'm going to also add a little bit of the highlighter on my tip of my nose and on my nose bridge. Now going in with the Patrick Ta's blush, I'm going to add this very lightly because it is super pigmented, and one wrong move, I can mess up my whole look. So I'm going to dab it very lightly and this just gives me like a love struck glow or just a naturally flirty flush. Now for the lip combo, I'm so in love with the NYX like makeup lip line. Like, it's just so well, it works like all day. I use this lip combo for work and it lasts all day up until I eat. But other than eating, like, if you reapply this in the bathroom while you guys are on a date, it will last the whole night. I kid you not. This lip gloss is linked down below. I recommend applying this for the date. It smells so good. It's shade Cotton Candy. But I am going to now put my setting spray. I hope you guys love this video and have a great date night.
Needless to say, I keep a check. She was a bad, nevertheless.